Well, as plow crews, public work departments, and first responders prepare for winter calls, officials say they know they're in for a busy weekend and week. Now, that's following this dangerous winter weather headed our way, but you might be wondering what goes into preparing for it. Fox 61's Victoria Anderson stopped by one local firehouse today to talk winter prep.
It's almost go time for emergency services across the state, and with just hours until the winter weather moves in, crews are gearing up for a long and cold week.
There's no rest this weekend for first responders across the state, with police, EMS, and fire expecting a spike in cold weather-related calls and emergencies.
People get creative when it's cold.
With the cold comes calls caused by carbon monoxide and the various aches and ills that come with shoveling snow for hours. However, Jeremy Rodrigo with Beacon Falls Fire says there's one call you can avoid.
So you can prevent us from having to do as many calls if you just kind of stay put and stay home.
After days of meetings, scheduling, and stocking up, officials are now planning for the worst of the worst.
Power outages is going to be our biggest problem. If we have a power outage, we're in trouble. So
here in Beacon Falls, many are calling the station home for the storm.
we have to figure out how to feed them, but I think we can manage that pretty easily with Victor in the kitchen.
We have bacon and eggs, cold cuts for lunch sandwiches.
As a volunteer firefighter and resident chef, Victor Santos' job this weekend is to help heroes fight hunger.
So nobody's going to go hungry?
Oh, no one will go hungry. No one will go hungry.
Now, with everything ready to go, there's nothing left to do but wait for the first snowflake to fall.
So you're just prepared for anything?
You have to be.
And the calls to start.
For smaller communities like Beacon Falls, officials say now is the time to reach out to your neighbors, get in contact so you do have a local support system when the storm moves in. In Beacon Falls, Victoria Anderson, Fox 61.